Because you won't leave me alone or nothing.
Who?
PHL won't leave me alone. I'm sick and tired of that. They're gonna do something else. Of course, tornado warning, tornado warning. No, SVR.
Oh my god, just unplug your freaking radio.
SVR, I freaking knew it. SVR, I knew it.
Southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Willingboro, or 14 miles south of Trenton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: public. Impact:
public?
people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Public.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Willingboro, Medford, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Tabernacle, Bordentown, Presidential Lakes Estates, Beverly, Towertown, Pemberton, Wrightstown, Florence Roebling, Leisure Town, Chatsworth, Jacksonville, and Georgetown. This includes
Joshua!
What did he do?
He literally just threw something and then he just unplugged my radio.
Joshua, please, now.
Unacceptable, Joshua.
Please. Yeah.
mile markers 41 and 57. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southern and central New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania.
Joshua is throwing stuff at Joel and then he threw something and unplugged his
Tornadoes
stuff.
can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning
I know.
has been issued until
It's very
8:15 p.m. for the following county: Bucks, Pennsylvania.
So it's gonna get interrupted. And your omelet's gonna come in. Of course. Don't care. Shut up, flash flood warning. Ha, what I tell you. Ha, what I tell you. It issued and I turned it off. Get wrecked.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm
What?
warning for northwestern Wilson County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer
No,
County in central
no,
New Jersey,
no SVR.
and Burlington County.
Wait a second. No. $7:30, please come in. Come on now, please. Please. Come on. Come on. Hold on. Yeah. I'm just saying, time on. Come on. You're so impatient. Thank God.
Southeastern Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Ocean.
Now, leave me alone. Right, wonderful.